Hello, this is Jeff with JML Roofing Solutions. Today I want to go over as quickly as possible, but with being as informative as possible, the insurance claim process when dealing with a roof claim. So we'll just get right into it. So it starts when the customer starts a claim. The insurance then will send out a adjuster to evaluate the damage that is incurred. This is what we call a field adjuster. They either work for the insurance carrier itself, or most likely they're a independent contractor working across several insurance companies. It's important to know that. Why it is important to know that we'll go over on a later date. So, field contractor gets up on the roof, evaluates the damage, then he collects information about that roof, the different components of the roof, the height of the roof, the pitch of the roof. He gets all this information over to the desk adjuster. The desk adjuster then makes a decision on whether they are going to buy that roof or not, whether the damage that is incurred is enough to solicit a replacement rather than a repair. He is then going to write up an estimate using Xactimate. Xactimate is a standardized platform that insurances use for restoration claims. Contractors have access to this so that they can double check the work that the insurance carriers do, or to write estimates for the insurance so that they don't have to go out there themselves. On this paperwork is going to be of several different pages. One of the most important pages on the estimate paperwork, which will either be up front or at the end, is what they call a summary for the dwelling. So there's going to be a series of monetary values on this page. It's important to know what these values are and when you're going to get these values listed here, or if you're going to get them at all. So there's 4 or 5 main values that are important. The first is a replacement cost value. So this is the total amount it's going to cost to replace your roof. So this is, in the end, how much you're going to owe a contractor to replace the roof. The next is the depreciation line. So this is how much that the insurance has decided to depreciate your roof based on age or the condition that the roof is in. The next line item is an actual cash value line item. So that is the replacement cost value minus the depreciation, which gives you the actual cash value. This is important to note because when they send you the first payment, it's going to be the amount of the actual cash value minus your deductible. Okay? So you're going to get this first payment of your actual cash value minus your deductible, and then you're going to receive the depreciation after the work has been done. And then they're going to have a final item that basically says net claim if depreciation is recovered. Okay, and this is how much the insurance is going to give you total towards that replacement of your roof. So I'm going to use some numbers really quickly so that I hope it all makes sense. Okay, so if you have a replacement cost value of $15,000, this is how much the insurance says it's going to take to replace your roof. Well, they're going to depreciate at $5,000 based on the condition of the roof. So now you're at $10,000, which is your actual cash value. Okay, so then your deductible is $3,000. So they're going to subtract $3,000 from the actual cash value of $10,000 and send that into you in a payment up front to get the repairs started. Okay, so then the repairs are completed. The invoice is sent off to the roof insurance company, and they're going to send you what they call a depreciation check. So they're going to have the $7,000 check up front. You're going to get the repairs made. They're going to send you the depreciation, which is $5,000, already mentioned before, which is a total of $12,000. Well, the cost of the roof is $15,000, and so the contractor is going to receive $15,000, and this is where your deductible comes in. So the insurance has helped you out immensely, giving you $12,000 towards this new roof. You just have to pay your deductible of $3,000, and that gets us to the $15,000. I hope that covers that page. Also, somewhere on that insurance paperwork is going to be a broken down line item detail of the estimate summary. So this is where all the components are going to be listed out on this insurance paperwork. This is going to look like gibberish to most customers, and we understand that as a roofer. This is more important for the roofer when dealing with your insurance, so that they know all of what the insurance is covering or what they're not covering. If we need to supplement additional items because we found them on your roof and they didn't include them, well, we need to make sure that they pay for those so that you get the most roof for your deductible as possible. So to summarize this video, here's how the insurance process works. You're going to file a claim. Adjuster is going to come out, evaluate the roof. He's going to send his information over to the desk adjuster. Desk adjuster is going to decide whether he's going to buy the roof. He's going to use a program called Xactimate to figure out how much it's going to cost to replace that roof. That price that he sets is the price that the contractor also has to abide by. Unless there's more supplements that he needs to add, the price is never going to be less than what the insurance is allotted for. You're going to end up getting 2 payments, the first before the work is done, the second after the work is done. These two payments combined with your deductible is going to be the total replacement cost value of your roof. I hope that wasn't too confusing. If you do have any questions or concerns, just remember that JML Roofing Solutions is only one phone call away. We'd love to answer any questions you may have. If you have a roof that needs an evaluation, we'd love to come out and provide a free one. Thanks for tuning in, and we at JML Roofing Solutions hope you have a great day.